Hello everyone, it's Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. I'm going to be working today with the Love Song bead strand, and I absolutely love this bead strand. These beautiful crystal hearts are so lovely and so much fun this time of year. I think I'm going to go with the white and red beads because I'm going to create a BFF Valentine's Day necklace, or it could be just a BFF necklace in general. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. Those bubble letters are amazing. And so I've also got this Designs by Me bead mix that has some beautiful red beads and this Say It With Silver spacer set, which I love. This is going to add just some accents. I've got some 11 seed beads, some 19 strand beading wire, and I'm going to string up this easy design, but just giving you some tips and tricks around how to put this together. Now, I put a seed bead on either side of each one of the letters. That's going to give some spacing so that those letters can move independently and they're not all scrunched up at the base of the necklace. I also selected some of the small round beads from the Designs by Me mix to add that additional spacing as well. Those daisy spacers or metal spacers in the Say It With Silver spacer kit are going to surround those red beads. So we've got a lot of silver in this piece, and it looks really beautiful with those big bubble letter charms, which are so cool. Now, I found that the loops on the Fs were a little bit different shaped than the one on the B. So I definitely needed one seed bead on either side of all three of the charms for them to sit just right. And so that's my focal section. And then I did one more red round bead on either side. So you've got that little section of round red beads and then some of the beautiful spacer beads. And those seed beads are just adding some separation, some dimension, and some continuity for the entire design. So then I'm actually putting on the white and red beads. Now there are 2 white and 2 red for each side. So I'm just putting them on to be sort of the next area of focal for this necklace. So you're going to have that focal pendant section, and then your eyes are going to go to those beautiful glass hearts. They are faceted, they are fabulous. And I'm just putting 3 seed beads in between each. Then I'm going to create a little stack of the metal beads and then grab more of the red beads from that mix. And I like taking those rhinestone rondelles and the little daisy spacers and making a little stack of metal. And that's just going to add some interest, tie the silver back to the base of the necklace and add some interest. So then once I've got that little section, I'm going to do 3 seed beads and then pull out some of the larger red beads from that bead mix. And I like the varying shapes there. And this is kind of a different red than in the red hearts, but that's interesting to me. The different shades of red here are going to make this necklace interesting, but all of the reds tie together beautifully when you get them all together on your piece. So here's another section of that stacked metal, and you get so much of that metal in this set. You're going to love that. Then a few more small beads. So I still had one more cube and one more round. And then I'm going to finish off with all of those bicones, which are so pretty. And again, with the seed beads in between. And then all we're going to do is add a clasp. So I love how this looks. I really, really love this. This is just the perfect BFF necklace for sure. So I'm gonna check the fit, make sure it's actually the length I want, and then I'm gonna grab a simple toggle clasp, crimp that on, and I've got a little bit of French wire on my wire there. For those of you who follow me, you know that I like to use French wire to attach my clasps for bracelets and necklaces. So I did that here just to bring the continuity of that silver to the design. And then I've got a finished piece, and this is so much fun. All of these wonderful pieces and parts are available at jessiejamesbeads.com. I think you guys will have fun making this. You can even pick different bubble letter charms if you'd like for a completely different vibe for this necklace. And yeah, jessiejamesbeads.com. Check it out. Make one for yourself. Thanks so much for watching.